Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create scrolling text in Canva step by step. So let's get started. Open Canva and log into your account. Choose a design where you want to add scrolling text. Here, type the text you want to animate. After finalizing the text, select all of it by clicking and dragging over it with the mouse. Place the text at the bottom of the scene. Click on the animate option at the top, then select create an animation. To make the text scroll, click and drag it up while holding the shift key on your keyboard. You can also adjust the animation speed to your preference or add effects if desired. Now let's review the result. As you can see, we've successfully created a scrolling text effect. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.